All right, guys, welcome to this video. So on this video, guys, we are going to be talking about how you can be able to change any social media account that you connected to your Galxe account. So you all know that over here we are most of the time required to complete some certain Galxe quest right here on the Galxe platform. For example, here that we have this airdrop called liquidity requiring us to complete the gas quest. Most of the airdrop do require us to go through the same process, but along the line some of us find it difficult to complete it because they connected a wrong social media account to the Galxe account. All right, so but on this video I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to change any social media account that you connected to your Galxe account, be it Twitter, be it Discord, be it Telegram, whichever one. I'm going to be showing you how you can be able to change it right here on this video. So you all know that this issue is normally encountered when we are trying to complete a Galxe quest. Like if you used a wrong social media account to complete a quest, if that account is not connected to this your Galxe account, it won't record it that you have actually completed the quest, right? So there is an importance of you connecting the right social media account to your Galxe account, so that ever task that you complete on that social media account, it will automatically detect it right here on your Galxe account and be able to record it that you have actually completed it. So let's now go started immediately. So but before we do that, guys, if you are new to my channel or if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please kindly do well to like this video you're watching right now if you find it informative, and also do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to join the family. We also have a link to our Telegram right there on the video description box. So with that being said, let's now start. Okay, so over here right now, to be able to change the social media account that you connected to your Galxe account, all you need to do first is to go over here and click here that we have me. Okay, make sure you come over here, you come to the home page, then you click over here that we have me, you click on it. Okay, and immediately you are going to be brought right here. All right, so you are going to be brought right here, and this is where the whole thing happens. So to be able to complete the the changing of your social media connected to your Galxe account, you go ahead and click on this gear button right here. It is very simple. You click on it. Okay, and immediately you click on it, you are going to be brought right here showing your username. Okay, this is you can change your username right here if you want it, and also you can switch account. But to make it even more detailing, here that we have wallet address, you click on it. Okay, so clicking on this wallet address, you see the two wallets, the wallet that you connected to your Galxe account, and these are the wallets through which you can claim your reward to. You understand? So this is the wallet right here. So if you want to change your wallet, you can come over here and change wallets or add even more wallets if you want to. So over here right now, to because of the topic of the video, this is what we are talking about here, that we have social accounts. You click on it. Okay, so immediately you click on social accounts, this is where the whole thing happens. Okay, so over here, guys, you can see this is where your email will be showing, and you can change it if you want to. If you already connected your X account or your Twitter account, this is it. You can remove it if you want to, and you can also change it. But one thing about changing it is that once you click on change, you are going to be asked to either log into that your social media account, or automatically you are going to be taken into the social media account already logged into this your browser. For example, I'm using my browser right here, and this account right here, Bearing Crypto Mechanic, is the Twitter account that I have already logged into right here on my browser. So if I click on change now, automatically I'm going to be taken to that account. They will ask me to authorize it to, so that it can connect. So before you click on this change right here, make sure that you have already logged into that specific account that you want to change into. All right, or you can go ahead to click on remove and remove it entirely, then add it back, or connect it back, because when you remove it, you are going to be seeing something like this: connect this account, connect that account. So the same thing is applicable right here. If you connected the wrong Discord account, bearing this is your Discord username, right? So bearing the wrong Discord username, you can simply click on remove to remove it, or click on change. So when you click on change, you are going to be taken to your to that Discord account. They will ask you to authorize the connection and all that. For example, when I click on change right now, you can see that I've been taken to my Discord, already logged into this my platform, this my browser. So I'll be taken there, and they are going to be asking me to authorize it so that it will be connected. So immediately, it is very simple. You can see over here, they will be asking me to authorize it. The same thing is applicable whenever you are trying to change any other account right there on your, on your Galxe account. So this is simply how it is, guys. So for example, right now you can see a reminder: the Discord account you are trying to bind is already bind to another Galxe account bearing this this key. Proceeding with the binding will result in the inability to use the method to log in to the original account. Simply, I will click on confirm, and immediately the account is going to be connected. So that is the account that I already connected. That's why it's still showing this. Okay, so everything right here is very simple and easy. So if you have any question, let me have it right there on the video description box, and on the comment section, and I'll be there to help you immediately. So everything is very simple and straightforward, and this is how you change any media account connected to your Galxe account. So thank you for watching, guys. I believe this video was helpful. If you have any question, drop it right there on the comment section and I will respond to you immediately. Thank you, and do have a lovely day.